let's we understand the new education policy 2020. Okay, last time we have seen the question paper pattern and syllabus of account subject, commerce subject, math subject. This time we will do the economics subject. In economics, you have the two chapter. First chapter is called the business economics and demand. Which chapter? Business economics and demand. Second chapter, consumer behavior and supply. Which chapter? Consumer behavior and supply. These two chapters you have to study for the semester 1. Okay. Now let's see the question paper pattern. Total question marks for economics 50. Total marks कितना है 50. This 50 marks divided to two parts. First is called internal, second is called external. External you have the 30 marks. उसके लिए क्या होगा? प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम होगा. That practical exam is of 30 marks. And in 30 marks, the question will be given as it is. Question number 1, 15 marks. Question number 2, 15 marks. Question number 3, 15 marks. Out of these 3, you have to solve any 2. In question also, you have the internal option. A, B, C. A, B, C. A, B, C. And out of these 3, you have to solve any 2. So 15 marks A, 15 marks B, 15 marks C. Out of this you have to solve any 2. So 15 plus 15, how much you will get? 30 marks. Okay. This is how the external exam. Now come to the internal pattern of 20 marks. In this 20 marks, college will give the 10 marks for class test. 10 marks के लिए क्या होगा? Class test. 10 marks for the assignment, maybe project, maybe presentation. एक तो प्रेजेंटेशन होगा, नहीं तो प्रोजेक्ट होगा, नहीं तो क्या होगा? असाइनमेंट होगा. उसके लिए कितना मार्क्स? 10 मार्क्स. अदरवाइज ये नहीं तो ये बुक रिव्यू और न्यूज़पेपर रिव्यू 10 मार्क्स है ना. क्लास टेस्ट तो कंपलसरी है. बुक रिव्यू नहीं तो असाइनमेंट नहीं तो प्रोजेक्ट नहीं तो क्या होगा? प्रेजेंटेशन. कैरी द 10 मार्क्स. सो 10 प्लस 10 20. और आपको पासिंग के लिए कितना चाहिए? 40% ऑफ द 50. 40% ऑफ द 50 कितना होगा? 20 मार्क्स फॉर पासिंग. लेट्स वी कम टू द एक्सटर्नल. एक्सटर्नल कितना होता है? 30 मार्क्स का. सो उसके ऊपर 40% ऑफ 30 कितना होगा? 12. इंटरनल में कितना चाहिए? 40% ऑफ 20 कितना होगा? 8. 12 और 8 कितना हुआ? 20. सो 20 इज अ पासिंग मार्क्स फॉर द एग्जाम out of 50. So this is about the question paper pattern and syllabus. All the best for your